So Dotfusion, digital agency, born in Southern California in Costa Mesa in 1998. I am the founding partner and have been nurturing the shop since then. We really love projects that are intricate and beautiful, kind of a juxti UX designy type of shop, but also the other half of the business is pretty heavy duty SI stuff, which brings us to our love of dotCMS, because we are able to implement really great things for users, authors, the entire kind of ecosystem of the business itself. And it's really fun to build on as well. So yeah, we make beautiful websites, mobile apps, pieces of custom software, marketplaces, ultimately things that look really beautiful somewhere on a screen.
So I'm on the accounts side, and my colleague here has really been able to articulate like the technical aspects of why dotCMS is such a great platform. For me, I think also from the user standpoint, so I'm an advocate for the marketer, the editors, somebody who's like more non-technical, a lot of trepidation around like, I need to learn something new and multiply that by 10 times. Changing one system is probably not the norm. There'll be multiple. And I think what dotCMS brings to the table is that you can get this enterprise level backend system, but from a user perspective, you can still maintain the same simplicity or leverage the same user interfaces. There's that option to do that. So I think it becomes an easier transition for the company. Systems change, software changes, but for the user experience, it's still pretty consistent, or it's more manageable.
Well, I think it dovetails quite excellent into the more rugged IT infrastructure dilemmas that I need to deal with when recommending platforms. I have a kind of a bunch of extremely serious people that are concerned with cybersecurity. We've got IT guys to please that are dealing with infrastructure and environments and all of that kind of stuff. And we're entering the scene usually at a time that isn't great for them, but there's marketing concerns that are kind of driving the project and things out of different departments' control. So we love dotCMS as a solution where things need enterprise ruggedness, yet presentation freedom. And that's really in the sweet spot where we play. We can use it headless and create all kinds of beautiful stuff and kind of React components floating around on the outside and completely decouple not only the experience, but the teams from each other. So we have front end guys developing away, creating beautiful stuff. Well, the kind of hard work and expansion can be going on in behind the scenes. That usually takes a little bit longer. It's a beautiful kind of Java layer underneath just to make sure everything's really tight and secure. But it's very light on the front end. Also, maybe to Janice's point, customizing like author workflows and all of those kind of complex things that enterprise needs. Super sweet.